Oh yes. Guys, Cliff here. Welcome back to the channel, and hi to all my new subscribers. Thanks for checking in and subscribing. I've just had one of my mad thoughts this afternoon. I thought I might try my round the pole again, this time with my rubber powered Spitfire, see if it will actually fly around the pole as an experiment. So what I've done, I fixed up a pole up there 4 meters up with my fisheye camera on it to hopefully capture some of the round the pole going ons. Got my pole in the middle of the garden, which is about 2 meters high. I've got my, this is the pivot. It's just a screw in the top with a washer as a bearer, bit of metal. That clips on there and revolves around and around, hopefully. Rubber band just to take out any snapping, and a little bit of fishing line. And that comes all the way down. Oh, it's very fine, you step on it. That goes all the way down to the, well, a hook, and that will clip around the undercarriage. So I'll put my hat cam on, and hopefully it won't rain again. It's been raining all day, so I think I'm all fixed up. So I've just got to clear the area a little bit, the flower tubs, and we'll get the plane out, hook it up, wind it up. So it'll be a few minutes yet, but that's the plan. Hopefully we'll get some sort of attempt before it gets too dark or it rains again. Okay, see you on hat cam. Next step is to possibly wind the Spitfire up. Now I fix that through there into there. Now I'm not going to give it many winds to start, because obviously I've got no idea what's going to happen, and I don't want to wreck it. Get those lined up, it'll slide in. Okay, still lubed up a little bit from the last time I flew it, so that should be okay. I've deflected some right rudder on to keep it out. I'll put the elevator neutral. Let's try, this is 5:1 ratio, so that's 20 turns. 100 isn't many, but alright, starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. One for luck. Okay, I'll pop that on to there. Doesn't feel like a huge amount of tension, probably won't move at all. Okay, let's just put it on the runway. I don't imagine for 1 minute it's going to take off here, but let's give it a go. Doesn't feel like much pressure at all. In fact, there's a very slight headwind coming now, which is great. Okay, let's see what happens. First trial. I'll give it a little shove as well, I think. It's only 100 turns, don't forget. Ooh, look at that. Okay, let's go for a few more turns than 100, eh? It's going to want to be about 300, I think. And if I can wind them on. Can't stretch it out though, so 1, 2, right, 180 turns. Okay, got off the end of the runway. I think I'm erring towards hand launching. This is it. This is it. Let's hope that tension stays. There's a lot of hoping going on here. Good luck, RJ. Neutral, elevator, right rudder. Here we go. Everything depends on a good launch. Okay. Oh. That's the band just running back inside the fuzz. Okay, that looked slightly promising, didn't it? And easier to analyse it on the video. The line stayed tight, that's a good sign. I think I'm going to have to get the band back on the front of the plane and put some more wines on it. Okay guys, 300 turns, wind's dropped to nothing. Oh, caught the tail. Well, I think we need a little bit of, according to that, a little bit of down elevator, because we had a slight stall there, chaps, didn't we? Hello, cat. So, let's run those out. Let's take that off. So that was 300 turns, so let's put on 400 or even 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, that's 500 turns of the motor. Good luck again, RJ. Please let me out. Oh, I must admit I threw that downhill. Cool, we've had some adventures in this garden, haven't we, guys? Right, that feels about the same tension. Plenty of tension here. Right, will it fly again? What happened that time? I threw it downhill. Yeah. Let's just get a level launch. Oh. I think I threw it uphill. Guys, launch business is difficult. Give me a little bit of a boost at the end as well. I wonder if that wants to come out more at the tip. Might do, you know. I'll get a smaller band on there, we'll double that one up. Okay, that looks a good spot. Let's unhook that. Leave that there a minute. It is all an experiment. I think I'll get there though. Let's pop a brick under the end of that. Give it a little jump. Okay. Glasses. If I'm going off the ground, and I can probably afford to have a few more wines on the motor. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 640 turns. No, sorry, 600 turns. Taken off the ground. Let's see what happens. Okay, RJ, let's have a good clean circuit. You ready? Oh, just not sufficient thrust there, is there really? Oops. Come back. Okay, back to hand launching. I thought that might be a way forward doing that, but obviously not. But this is having fun, guys. This is fun. Okay, here we go again. Let's try and get a good clean launch. Go on! Go on! Oh, half a circuit. I detected slight stalling going on there as well. Nearly did a circuit then, though, didn't we? Let's pump on some more wines. That was a good launch. I sort of walked into the launch a bit there, so that was worth doing. Was that 3/4 of a circuit? If you remember, my early round the pole attempts was much like this with the electric ones. Okay, here we go again. Hope you guys can see this. Oh yes. That's one circuit, guys. And didn't that look sweet? Just let that motor run off there. So I had just a small amount, the slightest hint of down elevator. That's caught up there a bit. Let's have a closer look. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back to this tomorrow. Although having said that, I think the rain is due. But let's see what that's caught on a minute. Has that gone into the... Oh, it's gone into F1, look. I'll have to repair that. So there we are, guys, a successful mission. We got one circuit out of it, which I'm pleased with. It looked really good, so I'm looking forward to seeing that back on the video. Give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed watching this lunacy. Hit the old subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Cliff RVRC Planes signing out. See you in the next video. Cheers, bye.